Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Architect here, and in today's video is continuation of coding the buttons on the forms. Last, what we did was to code the buttons on the entry forms like the category, add customer, add invoice, add product, and so on. Today what we are going to do is to code the buttons on the list forms. So without much ado, we are going to start with the category list as usual. So we click on the category list form, design view. Then we are going to start with the edit button. So I'll click here. I'll go here and change the name to BTN edit. Then I will go to events, click here, select event procedure. Then I'll click on this. Yeah. So I'm going to say do cmd, there's a line of code, do cmd dot open form. So which form is that? We are going to open the FRM, add category. Then we will set a condition, so we will say where category ID equal ampersand me dot category ID. Then we need to edit, so we say AC form edit. Okay, take this as that. Alright, I will save, then I'll close this one, then I'll go to here, click on category, then we will try it here. Okay, nothing is happening. Let's check our code, close. So category list, let's check if that is the list. Oh, what is happening? We don't have anything here. So which form did I code like that? Okay, no problem. I'm not sure. So we say, let's do it again. Do cmd dot open form. Then you say open form. Sorry. We will open the FRM, add category. Then we set a condition. We will say where category ID equal ampersand me dot category ID. Alright, so let's save this again. Let me go back, go to nav form, click on category, click on this here. So it's not editing. So let me check the code. Last thing we didn't do, as we have to edit, so we say AC form edit. Alright, so let me save again, go back and click on this. Alright, so it is opening now. Let's try to change this one to say G, save, record save. Yeah, so it has been changed. Let me try this one to close this. Then we will change this one to F and save. Well, it's working. Alright. Okay, so I think it is fine. We are done with this. Let's cancel. Let's go back to the same form as the category form. This one, design view. Then let's do the delete. Okay, click this. Alright, so the delete, we are going to use a very short SQL statement. So we say current db dot execute. we are going to execute an SQL statement, which is delete from. We have to introduce the table TBL category, where we have to set a condition where category ID for me dot ampersand me dot category ID. So this is it. All right, then let's requery the form to see the effect. So it says do cmd dot requery. Okay, dot requery. All right, so let me save this. Click here, then we close this one. We open the now form again. We select category, then we delete this. So let me delete this one. Yeah, it's gone. It's happening. You can see that. So let me add a category from. Let me really not code the category. Okay, we'll try that. Check it. So I'm going back to the form. Where is it? Category form, category list, design view. Oh, sorry. Let's go to the category form itself. And then we click this. Oh, no code. Let's code it right away. So we will say, let's open category form, do cmd. I don't know what is happening. Do cmd dot open form. Which form is that? We are going to open the add category form, which is frm add category, So we have to condition data is we need to add AC form add, that is it. Okay, so let's save this. Let's minimize this one. Let me try. Okay, I'll go to category, then I will add here. So I will say cat A. We have description to be test. Let's save and see. Record. Yeah, cat A is here. Let me add cat B. Then I'll say test again. Then I'll say save. Let's check. Yeah, so it's working. Let me close this. Let's edit. So we have A, B, C. I'm going to edit the D. So I will say this should be C. Okay, let's check. Yeah, so it's done. Let's close this one. All right, so I think we are done with this. Let me add some dummy data and try to do it. Okay, it's fine. Save. All right, yeah, it's fine. So let's close this and try to delete. Yeah, it's gone. Now we want to throw a message when the record is being deleted, or ask permission, get a message before you try to delete. So what I'm going to do is I'll close this one. Now go back to the category form, list, design view, and I'll go to delete, and I'll click here. All right, so I'm going to write a simple question message. I will say msg box, then I'll open bracket, then I'll say do you, let me say, are you sure to delete record? Are you sure to delete this record? Okay, question mark. So VB question plus DB plus VB, yes, no. Then I will have title, say info, simple as that. Then I will close this one and say for the VBS. Alright, so we have this one, and okay, so we will say if, let's start with if, sorry, we will need to add them here. Then alright, so if the question says yes, then we delete. Let's throw a message, then we see MSG box. Through this prompt category deleted. Alright, so I'll say VB 4, and I'll have title info. Alright, so then we will query and we end if. So let me state else here. Else we do nothing. Sorry. Else we do nothing. Okay, so let's try this one. Save, go back, close this, go to this side, let's click on this. Okay, try to delete category G. Are you sure to delete this record? Yes. Okay, so it's gone. Let me delete this one too. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Yes. Category deleted. Okay, fine, it's gone. Okay, so let me add one cat B, then say tests. Let's see. Okay, so let's close this one. Let's go to the other form and do the same. So we are done with category. Let's start with the customer. I think it's this one that we did the coding form before. I think so. Yes, so we coded the customer form instead of the category form. So what I'm going to do is maintain, then we change this one to the form name, add customer. Alright, so just change this one to customer. Alright, then you will see customer ID. We have customer ID. Then we will change this one dot customer ID. Yeah, I see it. Alright, so let me save this. Let's close it. Let's open it here. We go to customer lists and let's try to edit this one. Okay, so customer ID, let's check on it and let's go back here, close. Then I'm going to customer list design view. Let's check whether you find customer ID. So customer ID, what is inside it is ID. So I will go back to customer table, then I will change this one to customer ID. It should be like that. Alright, so let me save this one, close. Then let's go to the add customer form design view. Let's see whether you see the customer ID. So it's ID. So I'll copy this one and change the name to that. So let's check the data in there. Is customer ID. The name is customer ID. Alright, so I'm going to close this one and save. Then I'll go back to the customer list form. Let's check customer ID data. Okay, so data is customer ID, so it should work now. Alright, so I'll go back to the form now. Okay, so I've changed the customer ID, that's why you are seeing this one. We'll fix it. Okay, so go to customer list. Then let's try to edit this. Okay, so you can see everything has opened here. Let me add the email. So josam at gmail.com. So let's save this. Record save. Let's close and check. Alright, so it is working fine. Okay, so now let's do the delete. Close this one. What I'm going to do is I'll go back to the category list design view. Click on this. Then we copy everything here. Alright, and we close this. Yes, let's go back to the customer list. Then we click here. We change this to BTN delete. Alright, so I will save. Let's go to events. Then I will paste what I copied here. So instead of saying are you sure you want to delete record, is fine, VBS. Then current DB delete from table customer. Right, then we have customer ID, customer ID. Then we will change this one to customer ID. Then you will see customer deleted. Okay, all right, let me save, go back here, then let's check. All right, so we go to customer, then let me delete this. Are you sure you want to delete record, baby? Yes. Okay, yeah, so it's also working fine here. So we are also done with the customer form. So I'll go back, close this one. Then let's go to add customer form. There's something I have to fix here. This email, I want it to be aligned. Let me check. View. Alright, so I want it this way. Let me close again, save, fine. Then we go to dashboard. Let's go and fix that error. We go to customer, we go to here, then we change this one to customer ID. I think it should fix it now. Save. Let's open it. Alright, so everything is fine. Let's close this one. Now let's go to product lists. I think we also have to do the same thing there. So I'll come here, name this one as BTN edit, and I'll name this one as BTN delete. Okay, so I'll go to events, select this one, what I'm going to do. Then I'll go to category list. I'm going to select everything here, and I'll close it, go back to the product, and I will paste. Okay, so everything, the naming the button is fine. So what I'm going to do is, instead of category ID, category, we will say table products. Table products. Then you will say product ID, product, products ID. So let's change this one to me dot product ID. We have product ID here. Okay, so let's check ID. Yeah, it's ID. So I'm going to call this one product ID, although we don't have it. Product ID. Product ID. You save. Then you say products deleted. So I'll save this one. I'll minimize. Then I will search for the ID. I've got the ID. And I'll rename it to product ID. Product ID. Yeah. Then I'll go to the table product design view. Then I'll say product ID. Product ID is fine here. Let's see. Now we need to do some correction on the code. So it's table products. Products. Okay, so save. Let's go back. Let's look at the edit button. Okay, so instead of opening the add category, we will say add products. Where product ID, where product ID is equal to me dot product ID, product ID. Then we edit and okay, let's go back. Alright, let me go back to add product design view. Then let's check for ID. Data is put. I'm going to copy this one and give it a name as ID. Save. So let's save again. Alright, so let's go to products. We have to fix that one to product list. Edit product. Yeah, you can see everything is here. I'm going to add category A and save. Save. Let's check that if we have a category. Okay, so we can see the category here, but it's fine. Edit is working. Then let's check for delete this. Okay, are you sure you want to delete record? No, it's working fine. Let's try again. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Product deleted. Okay, so it's gone. Right, so it's working. It's working. Everything is working fine. Right, so we are done with category. We are done with products. We are done with customers. All right. So let's check whether we have some. Okay, we don't have the generated report yet, but we're going to do that. Okay, so users, yeah, so we have to also look at the user side. So let's check. Okay, so that time we did not code this because we don't have the let's look at it close. Do we have? Okay, so we have add user form here. Yes. So we need to code this one. Let me check whether we did it. No, we didn't. So it's simple. We will have to look at this. All right. Then I will go to add category. So we have the close and then the save. I will select everything here. Then click on this. Then I'm coming to paste it here. Alright, so form on dirty, save change, yes. Okay, so we close the form, add user. Okay, add user. Alright, fine, save. Yeah, fine. Okay, so I think that is the only change we will do here. So I'm going back. Okay, so this one too is fine. Alright. So let's see whether we have ID. I will name it user ID. So I'll have the user ID. That's that. Okay, so I'm closing this one and save. I'll go back to users table, design view. Then I'll change this one to user ID. Okay, it's fine. Close this one. Let's go to the user list. So where is it? Okay, user list, design view. Alright, so let me check what we have here as same ID. So I'm going to change it to user ID. User ID as we did before. Okay, so let's check the data. Okay, the data is user ID. So let's check in the table and see. Yeah, so we change this one to user ID. It has taken effect there. Right, so let's open the user list again. So we'll come here. Okay, let's check the names. All right, let's change this one to btn edit. Then we'll change this one to btn delete. Okay, save, fine. Then I'll click on event, select event procedure. Alright, so I will go to category, not category list rather, then select everything here, and I'll click on this, go back to user list, then I'll paste everything here. So instead of saying delete from category, so you say delete from table category, users. Alright, table users where user ID equal me.user ID. Fine, perfect. So we say user deleted. Then we will say here, we say add user. Like that, yeah, frm add user. Okay, then we will say user ID, same as dot user ID here, user ID. Okay, so we save. Let's close this one. Let's go to form nav and go to users. Right, let's edit it. Okay, so I'll add my other name, Woodrock. Alright, then let's check it out. Save record. Okay, so form list, you can't find that, so we go to debugging. Okay, we're not going to do anything when you save, you close. Okay, so let's cancel this one. Yes, so we go to end. Then I'll close this one and go back to the form user. Then I'll change this one to frm list. Alright, that's the simplest way. So we save. Okay, so let's do that again. I'll go to users. Now go to edit. Yeah, although it did the editing, save. Okay, so let me delete this one. Then I'll save. Okay, so let's close it. Yeah, so everything is doing well here. Delete, we know it will work, but I'm not going to delete anything here. The yes will work. So let's see the add. Okay, so let's do the add. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this form, user form. Then I will go to edit, and then here I will select everything from here. Then we will go here, add user, then I'll paste. So we open the form user. We don't need this one. I will need this. Yeah. So yes, let's try it out. Close this, and we have this. Let's go to users and see add. Yeah. So now it is not adding. So what is it? Let me check. Close. Is everything? have only one of these. Yeah. There is something I will have to check here. Let's look at it from let me check this one, sorry. And okay, let me look at category. I want to see something on the. Okay, let me go to data. So data entry, yes. Addition, yes. All right. So I'll go to add user and check if we have the same property there. Okay, so data entry is yes. All right. Close. Then I will go to category. Let me check something under this events. All right, so it should be like that. So I'm going to copy this one. Then go to add user list here. All right. Oh, yeah. So we have this, and now save. Yes. Let's close both. Then let's go back to this. Then we will have to fix this thing. So I'm going back design view. Let me fix it through here. So where is it? Is that products? Okay. Now this products ID. Products ID. So this is it. Receive. Let's open it. Okay, so it's fixed. Yeah, it's fixed. Let me close this. Yes, we save. Let's check it again. Yeah, it's working fine. All right, so we'll go back. Let me go to design view and fix this thing. So I'll have to take this. So let's view. All right, it's working fine. Let me close this one. Save again. Let's check all the forms. Nice working. So these two will be done later. This one will be done later. Let's look at, okay, so this is not working out. We'll look at this one separately in the next video, these two buttons, because it has a lot of, we have a lot to do with this one. All right, so let's check this one. Add is working fine, edit is working fine, delete is working fine. Let's go to products, add products is working fine. Delete is working, edit is working fine, delete is also working fine. I think we are done. So settings and everything here is working fine. So let's save this one. Let's close this one. Let's delete. Okay, so it's also working fine. All right, so we have covered a lot today. Next video we will look at the others, like, let me open again, like, or the invoice list, and then we also look at the settings. These two we will have to deal with them. All right, so thank you very much for today's video. If you are new to my channel, please you subscribe. If you've already subscribed to, thank you for watching my video or coming back to watch my video. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.